In this video, I will show you how to change measurement units in PowerPoint. That means from inches to centimeters or centimeters to inches. This video is focused on a Windows operating system. I am using Windows 10, so it could look a bit different for you, but that shouldn't really be a problem. To change the measurement units, press the Windows button on your keyboard or open up the Start screen. Here, you want to search for Control Panel. You want to go to the option that says something like Region. In this screen, you want to click on Date, Time or Number format. And here you want to click on Additional Settings. Next to Measurement System, you want to change the setting. The US measurement system will show you inches and the metric system will show you centimeters. And there you have it. I hope this video helped. Consider subscribing and I will see you next time.